Today, I'll show you how to restrict someone on Instagram. In fact, I'll show you two methods. So the first method is just going to that person's profile. So for instance, if you're looking for this user, just go to that person's profile page and then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner and select restrict. Now you should see that that user has been restricted and it says only you and that user can see their new comments on your posts. Their chat is no longer in your chat list, but you can still search for it. You can unrestrict them from the profile. Okay, so basically this limits interactions between yourself and that particular user. Now, another way of restricting someone on Instagram is to go to the restriction list. So tap on your profile icon to open your profile page and then tap on the three-line button at the top there and then select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you should see restricted. If you tap on that, and here, this is going to list for you all restricted accounts. Now, you can also use this search function here and search for a specific user and restrict them. Okay, so that account is going to get added to the restricted list. So now when you go to restricted, you can see I have those two accounts in my restricted list. And these are the two ways of restricting someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.